If you only go to Xizang once this life, this is my Sichuan to Xizang route, 318 National Road, 10 days of road trip for you, all been collected at Chid Road. The first day, arrive in Chengdu, prepare your cars and eat a hot pot. Just don't eat too much or stay too long at pots, because we'll leave in the next morning. Drive along 318 to Kangding the next day, 260 kilometers, a very easy way. You may also go to Luding country in the middle, the Luding Bridge. 1 to 2 warriors who dance through the Luding Bridge in our textbook. Kangding is a city in the river valley. The lights beside the Zheduo River at night are fabulous. It's the last low altitude place before entering Xizang. The third day, we go to Litang. It's 270 kilometers, also an easy way. You'll see the first peak near 318, Mount Zheduo, 4,300 meters high. When you get off to take photos, you'll be slowly to prevent acute altitude sickness. You may eat at Yajiang County. Remember, it's all Sichuan cuisines along 318. Thai mushroom is a specialty here. We'll reach Litang at night, 4,000 meters high. The night will be tough there. Headache is a symptom of mild altitude sickness. Just take some painkillers. On the fourth day, your mild altitude sickness, I strongly suggest you to go to see Mount Jinni. The view of the south of Mount Jinni is magnificent. Don't drive to the Eye of Jinni. Just take a walk to see it. The Langgu Monastery hides in the clouds and shadows. What fairyland! Baduan awaits you when you pass through it. Baduan's altitude drops to around 3,000, so you may feel better. If you don't go to Mount Jinni on 4th day, you may spend the night at Yajiang, which is lower than Baduan in altitude. The 5th day, we go to Zhouguang. When you pass by Mongkang, remember to eat firewood chicken. Since the schedule is not tight, you may go to see the ancient salt field, which has a history of over 1,000 years there. Its colors are beautiful. Zhougang is over 3,700 high. The 6th day, we drive 287 kilometers to Rawak. You stop at the 72 banks of the Nujiang River. You can see numerous DJI drones, which is like a fair. We can reach Rawak by night. Watch the Rawak Lake when it's still bright. It's the first lake with blue and green colors you can see in Xizang. Very impressive. The 7th day, a very easy trip, 130 kilometers to Bomi. You'd better use 3 days to go to Motuo, our last county which had transport service from the icy Qinghai Xizang Plateau to the south moist rainforest. Pay attention to rockfall and fallen trees. It's so hard to maintain this route. You may enter on even days and leave odd days. Make a good plan. The 8th day, we go to Nainchi, 237 kilometers. Not so long, but there's many good scenic spots. The cliff may collapse anytime. Each time I pass there, I send a message to my wife. I love you. Now, there's on my bridge. Our country is a guru of infrastructure. Lulang has many 5-star hotels, but its greatest specialty is Lulang stone pot chicken. In the end, you may use its soup to cook instant noodles. The 9th day, spending one more day in Nainchi is a good choice. Feel the breeze on the grassland beside the Yanglu River. You may see Namyak Bawa, and you always have good luck. The 10th day, go to Lhasa from Nainchi, 400 kilometers. Not a long way to Lhasa. Lhasa isn't the terminal this journey, but the start. There are too many good places in Xizang. Just take 318 National Road. I've got 4 thrilling routes which start from Lhasa. Let me share them next.